Hey, Lakshmi, oh, come over here. ਉੱਥੇ ਚਲੇ ਜਾ ਉੱਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਧਰ ਉੱਧਰਲੇ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਖੜੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ आज शाम में आ जाओ Okay, Diva, we can take picture over there. Just come up here over here, please. ਗਾਣਾ ਘੱਟ ਪਾਓ ਹੁਣ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਸੁਣ ਲਓ ਜੱਟ ਤੇ ਘੱਟੇ ਹਾਂ quality labs taken a lot of people shot at quality labs. You want to go and take it? Can you dispel some of that for us? Are you a for-profit organization?
I don't speak to disinformation, but I think that what we should do as a South Asian community is unite and heal. It is time to stop doing low blows and targeting civil rights organizations. The bottom line is that caste exists. We are not going away as civil rights movements. The same kind of people that target us are also the people in history that targeted the NAACP, that targeted Martin Luther King. We've seen every time that there is the flow of civil rights progress, people will try to demean those individuals and organizations. But we will not sink to the level of disinformation. We are here to heal. And our biggest model of that was Dr. Ambedkar. Imagine how many people tortured Dr. Ambedkar around around his positions around equity, every single one of his words has become law. So think about it. We have thousands of people that are standing here that are saying that they want to be free. Each one of us is a child of Ambedkar that is going to free our communities, and we want everybody to join us.
But don't you want to dispel some of this? Because a lot of people take pot shots to you personally as well as the organization. So why not just spell it out for us? Where does your funding come from? And are you a for-profit organization?
So again, I don't speak to disinformation, and I don't give space to bullies. And neither should you.
Let's
Thank
focus
you.
on caste. Let's focus on caste, not on the person. Let's focus on caste, not on person.
Good job. Congratulations.
Who is here? Guess who is here? Guess who is here? Look at who is here.
We need a question.
No more. Okay, let's go there.
Yeah, let's go. We did it, guys. Guys, thank you so much. Okay, you are so amazing for me. Great job, guys. Great job.
They will go on deck.
Let's go over there.
Why shouldn't come and listen to her? Yeah, we should. We should listen to her.
Wow, there is like so Oh God, what is our other chants we have?
We end the casting
Oh,
song.
yes, we shall end
We end the
Hi, Paul. Do you need us to be quiet?
System out here. So the problem is we respect that maybe Senator Wahhab's coming, maybe, but
She said, yeah, should we just maybe not chant and
that
then
would
we
be
can talk without
that would be
words?
great. That group knew that, but I think this group didn't, and then they came together. So
Yes, no problem. Thank you so much, Paul. Thank you. Let's go to the share. Let's go to the share.
We win.
उधर होर परे हो उधर आवाज ही ना जाए जाई जावे अपन को डर मारिया है
How many people went to an advocacy day? How many people were part of the Carva? How many people made calls? How many made emails? We stood and gave truth to power. We saw district managers. We saw the chief of staff. We went everywhere around the state from pillar to post, and we built a South Asian movement no one has seen in this country.
Moji. Everybody.
This is actually every single organization that's here. Never did we ever see this much unity across every single Guru Ravidas Sabha, with all of the Sikh organizations, with all of the different South Asian organizations, the tech organizations. We have hundreds of people that have stood with us and organizations. This is because you all told the truth.
We also thank you to everybody who supported us.
Yes.
We say openly thank you to all the Sikh foundations, all the other organizations, those who supported us, and we have won this war because of all you guys. So
Well,
finally we say thank you to you.
Well, we actually have another step of the battle, right? Yes. We basically got through two of the hardest committees, the Judiciary Committee, and now we are going to the full assembly. So we are not giving up, are we? No! We're getting even stronger. We're going to come back for another advocacy day. And we will not stop until we are free.
And we will get other unanimous vote.
They don't want tanks.
ਅੱਜ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਐਕਸਪੈਂਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਵਾ ਬੜੀ ਹਵਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕੀ ਨਗਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਨਗਰ ਪਿਆ ਪੂਰੀ ਲੈ ਲਓ ਸਬਜ਼ੀ ਲੈ ਲਓ ਪਾਣੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਕਾਟ ਦੇ ਹੇਠਾਂ ਪਈਆ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਜੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਗਰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਗਰੀ ਬਣਿਆ ਤੇ ਹਜੇ ਆਸ਼ਾ ਬਾਬ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਵੇਟ ਕਰੋ ਪਿਛਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਉਹਦੀ ਵੇਟ ਕਰੋ Thank you, Paji.